How to copy and paste text on Android. This tutorial shows you how to select text and move it to another app in just a few taps. First, open any app on your Android device that has text you want to copy, like a message, note, or web page. From there, long press on the word you want to start with. After that, small handles will appear on either side of the highlighted word. At this point, drag those handles to extend the selection until you've highlighted everything you want to copy. Following this, tap Copy from the small menu that pops up above the selected text. From here, open the app where you want to paste it, like a chat or text field. At this stage, tap and hold inside the text field. Following this, tap Paste from the menu that appears. Once pasted, the text will appear exactly as it was copied, ready to send or edit further. That's how you copy and paste text on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!